Meaning of Gertrude Jekyll.
Gertrude Jekyll.
Gertrude Jekyll.
Gertrude Jekyll.
Gertrude Jekyll. Gertrude Jekyll was an influential British horticulturist, garden designer, and writer who lived in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. She is best known for her innovative approach to garden design, which emphasized the use of color, texture, and proportion to create harmonious and beautiful outdoor spaces. Her work had a profound impact on the art of gardening, and she inspired countless garden designers and enthusiasts around the world. Today, her legacy endures through the many gardens she designed and the books she wrote, which remain popular among gardeners and landscape architects alike.